Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody's having a great day. Well, today we have another unbagging. That means we have another review. Let's see who this is from. Alright. Get it out of the bag. Alright. So it looks like we have a bag and we have a cross stitch. So we'll start with the bag, and this comes from ColorfulDIY, and I've seen these on other people's channels, and I wanted to get one and see how big it was, or you know, just what it was about. And I don't per se whoops, hang on, we got issues. Things are attaching to me. Knit a lot. I mean, I have done crocheting and knitting, but it's not something I do all the time. But I thought this could be perhaps used for other things. So it's one of those collapsible bags. I'm trying to get it unscooshed, and it's got a lot of room in it. It's way bigger than I gave it credit for. It has two zippers here. Let's see how this will go. I'm trying, guys. I'm trying, but it's been mooshed in there for a bit. So it's a lot deeper than I gave it credit for. We're trying. But it nicely folds up, so if you wanted to put it away somewhere, that'd be great. I'm trying to get it unzipped. There we go. It has two zippers. There's one at this end and one at that end. And it is primarily made for people that do yarn crafts, because it has these holes so you can put your, I don't have even a ball of yarn to show you. You put your yarn inside and you pull it up through here, and this holds it in this bag so that it doesn't roll around on the floor. I've had that happen, you know, when I've personally done yarn. But yeah, I just thought that maybe it was deep enough, and it looks really wide and deep. Let me see. Hang on just a second. We're trying. I never thought about reviewing it, you know, and the whole concept, so it takes up a lot more space. Now, approximately, we'll say 14, 15 inches across. And it's about 7 or 8 inches, give or take, deep. So it would hold probably 4 skeins of yarn in here if you wanted to have it, or just your skein of yarn and whatever project you're working on, like if you're working on a big afghan or something. But I also thought it would be good for other things, like if I was going to go on a trip, say with my daughter or with my friend from Arizona, I could put like my counted cross stitch and put your pattern down here in the bottom. It would definitely hold a project. Like, I just have this one right here, so it would all fit down in there. So you could probably get 2 or 3 projects like that in there if you were going to use it for cross stitch. And it does have, oh dear, hang on, a zipper pocket here. I'm trying. In the front, that opens really wide. You could keep your scissors, your knitting needles, just about anything you wanted to haul, you know. And it's not too big and it's not too small, so it holds a great amount of things. Now this was, I'm trying to see, $12.99. It's very well made. Nice heavy duty zippers. And it does have kind of a lining on the inside. So yeah, I think I could definitely use this for my projects. You could even put your billfold in there, you know, if it was like a day trip or, you know, a short trip. Your billfold and all the important things in there. You could put anything in it. I don't know, but I really like it. It's pretty durable on the outside. I can't even begin to tell you what kind of material that is. It feels really slick and shiny, kind of like, I don't know, not silk, like nylon, yeah. So yeah, it will get used, and I just wanted to try it out. I've never had one of those bags, and I think it comes in a smaller bag, but I can't remember right offhand. But I saw that, I thought, yay, I'll try that. Never tried it. Every once in a while you gotta try something new. On to the cross stitch. It is a pre-stamped. It's 14 count. It's 52 by 20. And it was, because I wrote down something different. Maybe I'm gonna say it was $11.99. But I'm just guessing. But I thought it was kind of pretty and kind of different. It's a Joy Sunday. And it's a partial. You know we're into partials. So it's one of those little skinny ones, as you can see. And pull out the pattern. But I just thought it looked really spring-like or summer-like. And all the canning jars and all the different looking bottles. So, yeah. Just kind of different. And it looks like it's got some back stitching. So it says full cross stitch, full stitch, half stitch, French knots, and back stitch. And there, like I said, there's not much to it. It has 29 colors. Nice pattern, shows you where all the back stitching is. And it's just like one little booklet here, so like I said, not too much to it, but just spring-like. And I think there's something methodical about stitching spring stuff. You know, you're after the cold winter, you know, you're ready to see colors come to life. Excuse me, after the earth has been kind of sleeping in the winter. It does come with 2 needles. But look at all the pretty colors. You know, anything from pastel to bright colors. Just absolutely beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful colors. Isn't that gorgeous? Lots of green, blue, gold, orange. I'm seeing like everything. Not a deep dark red, but that's okay. You have like a dark pink. So, yeah, very nice. Very nice, very easy. Simplistic. Let's take a look at the canvas. Alright, so it's long and skinny. It is serged all the way around. Now, the paper pattern will not match the canvas, so it has its own key of colors. But you have your half stitch here. You have your full stitch running across the bottom. These are your French knots, and it has 3, 6, 7, 8 different colors for your back stitching. Now this one I would probably do in full cross stitch. But yeah, it's pretty cool. Let's see what it says here. It is 52.5 centimeters that way, and 19 centimeters or 7.5 inches that way. Actual picture size is 5 3/4 inches or 14.5 centimeters by 44.5 centimeters or 17.5 inches. So yeah, it's a nice, cute little project. Very easy to carry. It fit in that bag. I'm telling you. Yeah, it would. If I was going to take it somewhere, or if I was going to sit out on the porch, you know, it's just very easy to work on. I'd do all the back stitching first. And, not back stitching, I'm sorry. I would do all the cross stitch. Let's not do the back stitching first. Don't do that, people. Don't, no, sorry, don't do that. Now, this one was, oh, I told you it was $11.99, but I don't think so, because I've got something else written here. I will put in parentheses down when I put the link, and I'll tell you how much it was. So, yeah, I just think it's pretty. And it does have the product numbers that are on the front. So, very nice. Well, thank you, ColorfulDIY, for sending me these beautiful things. I love the kit. I love the bag. I'm going to utilize it. It would hold a lot of stuff, and it looks very durable. Oh, you know what? I forgot to tell you. It does have a handle. So once you get it all zipped up here. Oh, dear. Here we go again. I'm just going to use one. Then you have a nice little pick it up from it, you know, and carry handle. Like the printing on it. I love it. I think it's cool, and I will be utilizing that. Now, I don't know if you could put cold things in it to keep them cool. I don't think it has that kind of insulation. Not at all. But I think it's, and I don't think it's waterproof by any means. But, yeah. Very nice. I just like it. I really do. And I'm going to look and see if I can find the smaller version. Because I was thinking there was one that was about yay big. You know, what is that? 6-8 inches across, you know, and maybe it'd hold a ball of yarn about that size. So if you kind of think about that. So yeah. Now ColorfulDIY has cross stitch and diamond painting. They have tools and crafts for both. They have free shipping on orders over $69. And they always have a great selection of anything that you would just want to do. Do check them out if they are going to have any kind of special since it's spring. Someplace it's spring, I know it is. I have hope. But here, not so much. If they have any specials, I will put that in the description below. Thank you for watching today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe. Stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye.